When swapping out the deck or changing your belt or even replacing the mylar on your machine, first thing you want to do is remove the motor hood and your side rails. So the next step in this process is going to be removing the front and rear rollers. Typically on most machines you'll have 2 adjustment bolts in the rear and an adjustment bolt in the front. Just be sure that when you go to remove the adjustment bolts out of the front and rear rollers, that you count the amount of turns it takes to remove the bolts. That way when you go back together, you're tracking pretty straight as far as your belt goes. So after you have the front and rear rollers removed and the drive belt, the last step is going to be to remove the deck bolts. So when reassembling, basically take the same steps we did when we disassembled. Just kind of tilt your deck, slide the belt on, bring it around to the back, set it about where it's going to go, and then use the belt to ease it down, and that'll put you close. Next, we're going to put our deck bolts back in. So once we have the deck buttoned down and secured to the frame, we want to go ahead and put this front roller on. Go ahead and stick the belt on. Put it on your flywheel pulley first, and then wrap it around your roller drive pulley. And you'll notice once you get it on, you can't put this down in that slot with this belt. It'll make you think the belt's too small, but that's not the case. The pressure, the tension from the rear roller bolts when you go to tighten it is going to put it down here in this slot. So when you took the front and rear rollers off, you should have counted the turns in the bolts. So that way when you go back together, if you count the same amount of turns putting it back on, your belt will be tracking pretty straight. There'll be very little adjustment to it where you need to be. Same back here on the rear roller. Go ahead and slide it in here. Get your bolt started enough to where the threads will grab on each side. And count your turns. So normally it's going to take you maybe 20 or 30, sometimes even more turns to get this where it needs to be. In that case, you don't want to tighten one side 30 turns and then start another, because if you do that, then your roller's going to be all cockeyed and you could possibly strip your bolts. So So what I do is go about 10 turns and then move to the other side. Sometimes you may have to put something underneath. A little cross member under here. That'll give you a little height to work with. That way you can have a little more leverage on the long end of your Allen key. And as you can see, once you tighten those rear bolts, your front roller will come down in the slot and it'll be all set.